At eGlobalTech, we take pride in our successful implementation of Agile programs at various federal agencies and in assisting them with the adoption of Agile through our Agile coaching services.
We believe that at the core of Agile adoption success, however, are the people making up the integrated product team. In order to support the team, we help establish processes in line with the Agile Manifesto, also keeping in mind the agency's mission and the need for compliance with federal standards for quality and security. We then work with the team and the agency to select and configure the proper collaboration tools. The right tools help us successfully implement processes such that they are as easy to follow as possible and come as second nature to the team. As we lay this groundwork and get the buy-in from the team, we establish repeatable practical steps for grooming the backlog, generating quality user stories and epics, as well as running effective scrums, sprint planning sessions, and reviews.
Communication and collaboration are key to working in an agile environment where the only thing consistent is change. Our success lies in operating with total transparency with the customer. The concept of establishing an integrated project team where our staff works collaboratively with the government counterparts really helps us to stay on the same page with the customers. From defining user stories to prioritizing product backlogs to obtaining feedback from demos, there are a number of things we do to collaborate with the customer at all stages. The other key to our success is maintaining a very tight feedback loop, whether it be through user-centered design practices, daily stand-up meetings, or acceptance testing. We make sure we get customer feedback early and often. There are really neat tools in the market, Slack being one of them, that we use to collaborate with the customer and give them insight into the inner workings of our development team.
Agile encourages changes. The easiest way we can manage changes is to automatically maintain a flexibility within the team, within the understanding of the project, within the scope and definitions of what a project should be. And this can happen when we implement a project as a continuous improvement effort. Sprint planning process can have a huge impact in how well a team adapts to certain changes. By defining clearly articulated user stories, we can make the conversation around changing priorities easier to understand from an impact perspective and help the product owner and stakeholders understand the trade-offs associated with the change. User stories should be scoped for the benefit of the user and should be a vertical slice across your technology stack and not across your individual horizontal layers of technology.